right, guys, welcome back. Now, after navigating the hardships of a devastating house fire, up-and-coming artist Jurick, right? Has chosen to channel his experiences into his music with both grace and intention. He's here today to share how his songs capture the struggles and victories of his journey. Welcome, sir. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Thanks for having me.
No, listen, you're telling me you dropped EP already since last year. You're not waste of time, man.
No, not at this moment.
No, that's excellent. So the EP is called?
Six Element.
Six Element?
Yeah, it's between me and VSR.
Okay, all right. So, of course, we just, in the introduction, spoke about you basically turning your experiences into something of purpose, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, because some persons, you know, we go through hardship all the time. Yours definitely, a different kind. But you decided to just kind of use it to fuel you.
Yeah. So, I was a victim of a house fire in a community where I grew up, Rockford, where I lost my mom and my youngest sibling, and my sister. After that, it was just like me just finding myself.
Yeah.
It was a very, very, very lonely road up to, the point where I just felt alone all the time. But music was a thing like this. It always kept me like in tune, It always made me feel like there's something more to just me just being here or just existing, just being lonely.
Yeah, so you definitely found your passion along with, of course, an art that you love, which is music, right? I was asking you as well, what type of artist are you? Are you, a DJ, a singer? Like, what do you do?
All right, so my previous type of sound was basically just, the raw dancehall and reggae, but it kind of shift where I reach a stage of enlightenment, a different purpose towards myself and just being inspiring to other persons. So, the music changed a lot. So right now it's more based on positive type of vibe. To me, it's just like conscious dancehall, conscious reggae.
Yeah.
That type of vibe.
So you sing about life experiences.
A lot of things.
Motivating and.
I love, we sing about struggles, we talk about divine experiences, spiritual things. We talk about, corporations, things where like normal people not really want to talk about.
I get you. Especially, because you're associating dancehall with a certain sound, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right. So you've definitely found, I will call it purpose in the music. What was that point in which it took you from, that place that you say you were feeling lonely and considering everything that happened to you, could have allowed the circumstances to keep you there. What was that moment for you with the music that you decided to say, this is going to be a career path for me, not just something I'm just listening to and enjoying, but I'm going to take it up seriously and become an artist?
All right. So back in 2012, yeah. So after leaving school, in 2009, I went to Oberlin High School, by the way.
Okay, all right.
So after leaving,
Oberlin?
So after leaving Oberlin, I just venture off in just trying to find a skill. And that skill was in the department of like agriculture and technology, and then to graphics and art. And music was a thing like this. It was like an expression to me personally. That was a time when I just could have sit down and just write how I felt, because I never really did know how to express that to people. So eventually that become like a passion. It all started like for me with 2015 directly, where, I just say, all right, this is what I want to do.
Yeah, nice. I love that. Are there any artists out there in the business where you say, boy, I have to collaborate with this artist,
At one point...
I know you're going to tell me Vibes Cartel. I know you're going to tell me
No, not really.
Right?
Because you don't know. Not really, but Vibes Cartel, him inspire a whole heap of youth.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
But, you grow and you evolve. We grow up and listen different type of music, different type of artists. But there's a time in your life where you have a transition.
Yeah.
I feel like I just transition past the whole secular part of dancehall, or just having a favorite artist. Me believe that I, myself, is an inspiration to others. With the divine motivation by the Most High.
Yeah. So are there like gospel artists maybe that you want to?
No, that is not, more to say, what kind of so nice, but I would say it's based off of this gospel music because to me, it's not about religion, it's not about all of these things, but is the spark within you,
Yeah.
you know, the God within you, you know, that's basically for me.
I love that. So the plans for 2025 is to basically put some added promotion behind this EP. Yeah. How many tracks are on the EP?
All right, so there are 6 tracks on the EP.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 tracks on the EP, and it's basically, you know, talking about integrity, talking about self-development, it talk about social issues. It talk about a lot of things where, you know, the normal person are going to sit down on meds. You know, because it's congested type of, you know, music industry we have, you know. It's just fueled by like one type of narrative at this moment.
I'm just meeting and I'm very, very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud that you decided to, you know, take up your life still, because once there is breath and life, there is still possibilities, right?
Most definitely.
Exactly. And you're turning now your passion and your interest into something so grand. And you're going to perform for us right here. So what you're going to perform for us later on?
All right, so the song that I'm really focusing on at this moment from the EP is I Am. And that song is a song that I made back in 2021.
Yeah.
Now it's same COVID time. At that time, I never had any motivation. I wasn't inspired. It's like that essence of us was stripped from me. But I was still writing music, and that was one of the songs that kept me going.
Yeah. Well, we're going to hear it, guys. So he's not going to go too far, right? We're going to take a break, do a little something, and we'll come back. We're going to hear from our artists this morning. Jurick. Yeah, more to come on Weekend Smile right after this. Stay with us.
It's beautiful, it's bittersweet, you're like a broken